Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my Sam Poole Design Team project for March, and I created an open spine lace pocket holder. And it's all made with vintage and antique laces on the cover and all of Sam Poole's digitals. All of the digitals in here, all of the images are Sam Poole Designs, and I added some ephemera of my own, but the rest of it is all Sam, including this beautiful woman in the bezel here, the brass bezel. So I hope you can see that. I used a lot of different vintage trims and laces in here, all in the cream colors. And the pages are kind of held together with this thin little lace, but I'll let it loose so that I can turn the pages easier. And I'll let you see that for a minute, and I'll let you know, and I'll list them below. But the digitals I used of Sam's were Lilac Chateau, Periwinkle, Riviera, Blue Dream, and Lazy Days. And like I said, I will list those all below. I started out with a pouch that I made and put it in the first pocket, and a little lace in there, little religious piece on a ribbon, and there is an original photo inside a bezel. Yeah, just a little pocket to store your things. A pocket and pouch inside a pocket is what I call it. And then on this page, there's a little lace sampler here, and then I created this little notepad using vintage papers, all blank pages. And then on this page I used another one of Sam's digitals to create a sampler page, and then there are antique numbers. Then over here, I created a little booklet. Can't stop making these. And then all the little images, and that, especially that, are from Sam's digital kits. And then this is an authentic postcard. I thought the lilac went with the lilac. Yep, very pretty. But you could store your laces in here. You could store letters between you and your friends. You know, you could store a lot of things in this. Here's a blank little book that you could write in or clip things to. And then in this pocket is a little folio with some more lace samples, little glassine bag, and a journaling card, or you could wrap some lace around that as well. See how it opens up better when you loosen that. Then I created this little folio with, you have storage here, you have a side corner tuck here, and then a little tag on a bulb pin, and a little piece of trim, antique trim, and then some more lace inside. And this is one of Sam's pictures from one of her kits, and I cut words from French books. This is Villa de Paris. I do that a lot. I just clip out certain words, and then I sit there and pretend I can read French. It's quite funny. And then I thought this picture went well in here with the ladies in their white dresses she's playing an instrument. And this is some antique paper I got in an order. And then this little, I really like this little piece of lace, and I just made it a little side tuck here with the book page. And then here is another booklet. Now this page has lace on top, little tuck, and then on bottom. So you could actually put something in there in both of them, and it would hold it really well. But I made this little booklet, music sheet. It's blank. You can store things in here or write. And then on the last, I like this little tuck. I made this cute little tag, Une Petite. And then this will go in here. And that's the little holder. Then when you're not looking at it or stuffing things in it, you can just tie it up better. Like that. But she stands up and she's useful. I like things that are useful. But these are the things that didn't make it inside, but they will also, should someone decide to want to buy this, I will add these to the order. And they're all Sam Poole Design digitals. I made this little tuck here because I love this image with the floral, and it's on a music card. And then these are some cute little girls in their white dresses, and then another bulb pin, and then another photo with some antique ledger piece. And then I made this little folder. This digital was actually a long digital, and I just needed this size to go in here, but I love the color. And this is just packing paper, this brown packing paper. And then I added some ledger, antique ledger from Sam, some pieces, and then another lace sampler. It'll just go in here. And there you have it. That is my Sam Poole Design team project. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found some inspiration. We have started again this new year with every Thursday, one of our design team has a project for you. I will list those ladies below. And I thank you, Sam, for the lovely digitals. And I hope you take a chance and try to make one of these. The pages are thick cardstock with, I glued Sam's images on top of them so that it had substance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you soon.